so glad to see a big crowd. So what are our small groups? Well, it's my chance to give you a little bit of extra support, a little help, maybe even give you a sneak peek at what's coming up next. So you'll be really good at it, right? So, uh-oh, I got missed. Mm-mm. Okay, so please let me finish. Put your hand down so I can finish. Oh, I'll come right back to you. I promise. All right. So as I was saying, I just want to make sure you guys understand what our small groups are. They're going to go very fast. They're not going to take as much time as they do on our regular lessons, which sometimes last 30, 40, 50 minutes. Here, we just go over one or two little things, and it's about 20 minutes long, and that's it. So I'm going to start talking first and show you something, and then I will give you the Kahoot. So wait about 5 minutes or so, and I will give you the Kahoot code. Okay. All right. Thank you, my loves. So what are we doing today? Well, we're talking a little bit more about adding tens and ones, recognizing the value, how much something is worth inside a number. So remember in our whole group, excuse me, I said, what if you were a little baby and you were sitting there in your crib wearing a diaper and sucking on your thumb, and your dad came in and gave you $1,000,000. Now you're a baby, you don't understand what that is. You don't know whether that is play money or real money. Is $1,000,000 more than a dollar? Is it more than a billion? Like, you don't know, right? So if you don't understand place value or understand value, you don't really know how much you have. Now you do, because you're not a baby anymore. You've grown up. So for an example, let's say that Ava versus Stephen. Okay, let's say they both won money. Okay, they won the lottery. And Ava gets this much money. All right, there's Ava. Let's make a cute little Ava up here. There she is. And now here's Stephen. Are you ready, Stephen? Stephen gets this much money. Okay, and let's do a cute Stephen with his headphones. Okay, now let's look at the two values. Can you tell automatically, can you tell super fast which one has more? Can you? Yeah. All right. If you said that Ava has more money, you're absolutely right. But why? Why? Because let's look at it. She has 110 already. She already has a $10 bill. Oh my goodness. And she has two baby ones. There's my crying babies. Okay, let's go look over at Stephen's. Stephen, he's got his baby ones. Yep. Careful how you draw your T-chart. Does he have any tens at all? Wah, wah, wah. So his value, he has a lot less because he doesn't even have that 110 that she does. He has more ones, but he's missing a whole group of tens. So who won more money? Yeah, I'd say Ava won more money. Now let's make it really complicated. Whoops, somebody else is here. Hold on. Oop, I got to let everybody in. Okay, here they are. Okay, so now let's make it more complicated. Let's have Yelini. She won the lottery. It's her turn. She has 20. No, let's make it even bigger. Hold on. I like big numbers. Let's do $83. Whoa. And let's do Christina. All right, I didn't draw Yelini. Okay, hold on. I have to draw Yelini. Okay. She's got nice long ponytails. There she is. Okay. And now, who did I say? Christina. Let's do Christina's. Now, Christina won some money too. Wow. And she has, let's do 86. And let's draw Christina. There she is. Okay. So, oh, I forgot her ponytail. She got a ponytail. There she is. Okay. I see it. I see it. Okay, so let's look at the numbers very carefully. Wait a minute. Can you tell automatically? Brooklyn, can you tell who has more money?
Yalina.
Oh, let's see. Christina, we'll put a K over here and a Y over here. Okay, so you think Yelina's got more money? Okay, well, let's look carefully. I'm glad you said that because now we really have to check out the place value of each number. Let's slice our sandwich numbers right down the middle and put our tens and our, give me a crying baby, baby ones. Now let's look over here. So she's got 8 tens and 3 ones. Let's look over here, honey. How many tens does she have? She also has 8. But wait a minute. Does she have more? Does Christina have more ones? If you have more of something, guess what? You have the greater value. So Christina has 3 extra baby ones. That is so cool. You guys could practice that at home. Maybe mom and you, learning coach, dad and you, big brother, you, friend, you, write 2 numbers down. Two-digit numbers, and compare their tens and ones and see which one has more ones or more tens. All right. Tricky, right? Okay, let's do one more for Almo versus Ben. Here we go. So Almo has 70, let's do $75. And let's write Almo. Okay, put his headphones on and put his face up there. And this is Almo. And now let's look at Benito's. Benito also got some money. What did he get? Let's look. How about he gets, ooh, how about 65? Okay, here's his brother. Kind of looks a lot like him. Okay, now Ava, Yalini, Nathan, Christina, Olmo, Benito, Brooklyn. Can you tell who's the first one that wants to raise their hand? Who can tell which one has more money? Olmo, who has more money? You or your brother?
Me.
Why? Why do you say that? Tell me how you know.
I know that because I see 7 is bigger than 6.
Woohoo! Sorry, I'm getting a little, my mouse is not cooperating. Let's look at the tens and ones. There are 7 tens, 5 ones. Let's look at Benito's. He doesn't have 7 tens. He only has 6 tens. Oh, that's a lot less. That's a whole 10 less. And he has the same number of ones. So the correct answer is looking at place value. You can compare numbers and determine who has more. It's very important that you understand, and we're getting ready to do our Kahoot right about now. I want to show you this last diagram. Let's pretend that there are this many tens and this many baby crying ones. Quick, who knows the value? What do I have? 2,000? 4? What do I have? Come on, guys. Raise it. Nathan, what do I have? What would my value be? Do I have 26? 42? 9,728,000? Do I have 15 Christinas? What do I have? Let's put our place value in so you know. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. How many baby ones? Tell me now, Nathan.
6.
So what's my total value?
56. I used tens to count the rods, and and for the units I counted by ones.
Awesome.
I learned that from math lessons.
Let's have a contest then, Nathan. Okay. All right, close your eyes until I'm ready. Close them, close them. Okay, nobody tell him to open his eyes. Okay, we're gonna have a contest to see which one's faster. Don't look, don't look, don't look,
Tell
don't
me
look,
when to open the eyes.
don't look, don't look. Oops, oops, oops. Don't look, don't look. Are you ready? Set. We're gonna see who's faster. You count the way you did before, count by tens and your ones, and I'm gonna use place value. On your mark, get set, go.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62,
Look, look,
63,
look, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay, now count, quick.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 81, 61, 62, 63, 64.
Awesome. How come I wrote it so fast? Maybe because my eyes were open, but also because all I had to do is I didn't even count by tens. I just plugged in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 baby ones, and look how much faster it is. Practice that at home. Okay. Maybe you could.
I want to tell you something. Me and
Well,
Steven are brothers. We're brothers.
I know, I know. All right. So we're about to share for our Kahoot, and then we will be done. Okay. Okay. All right. So remember, it goes really fast. This is a quick lesson with 10 quick questions. So go to, hold on, it's almost up. Go to Kahoot. Oh, here it is. www.kahoot.it, IT, or use your Kahoot app, and your game pin is at the top of my screen, 5695284. And we're going to go so fast. Brooklyn's in. Go, Brooklyn. Ava, I see her. We are going to practice recognizing tens and ones in a number and telling the whole value, how much it's worth, the total number. Christina's here. Hi, Christina. Yalini. Ooh, you guys are going to be the best mathematicians on the planet. Who's that? Who's that? The twins are in. I see it. Benito and Olmo are in. Fabulous. Okay, 10 seconds. We're going to begin. And you can join at any time. The code will still be on the screen. It's kind of at the bottom, though, when I start. Awesome. Who just joined me? Ah, wonderful. I've got Ben. I've got Stephen and Nathan are here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Tens and ones quiz. The first question is, can you tell me the value of these tens and ones? Don't count all the dots individually. Just count the number of tens. 1, 2, 3, tall tens. How many tall tens and how many baby ones? And what number matches? Two answers. Ooh. Oh, hurry, hurry. It goes fast. If you had said that it had 2 baby ones and 9 tens, you got it right. Remember, you're just counting how many tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2 babies. Just match up the number to tell the value. Here comes the next one. Guys, you got to go fast. Do not count every single little tiny dot. Oops, go. Here comes our question number 2. What number is shown below? What is the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tall tens? And how many crime baby ones? Find your answer. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it only had 1 baby one. So the red answer is correct. It had 1 small crying baby and 8 tall, skinny teenager tens. So those that chose, oh, it could be confusing. If you don't touch each tall 10, you might have thought there were more than 8. And the person who had said, yep, okay, I get it. So it's really hard, but kind of try to touch each 10 as you count them. That will help. All right, here comes the next one. This is good practice. Oh, come on. Look how easy that is. How many tall tens? How many baby ones? Who's the fastest in the world? It's Yelini. Okay, no, I'm fast. Benito's already picked his answer right. Yay! If you said 12, you got it right. It only had 1 tall 10 and 2 baby ones. If you chose the right answer, you just got your 10s and 1s backwards. That's right. You put the baby in the driver's seat. Get him out of there. The teenagers belong there. All right. Comes the next question. Okay, so number 4 is, what number is this? Tell me the value of how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And okay, I got 7 tens. And how many baby ones? Ooh, don't write them backwards. 4 answers, 3, 2, 1. Look how fast you have to go. Whoa, kiss your brain, jump up in the sky, do something happy. Wow, look at all the right answers. That was great. Let's do the next one. I am ready for number 5. How about this one? What is the value of these 10s and 1s? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tall 10s. And 2 crying babies. Woo! Look at all those answers. Wonderful job. There were 8 tall 10s. I counted them. And 2 crying baby ones. Very nice. If you chose the yellow one, you didn't count the babies. There were 2 of them. 2 babies. Wow, wow. Okay, let's do the next one. We're so close to being done. Number 6, fast as you can. What is, 6 10s and 1 more 10? Huh. You're at 60. 1 more 10 would bring you to what number? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 plus 1 more. Oh, wow. If you said 70, you know how to count by tens. 60 plus 1 more. Let's look at the place value. If you had 6 and you add 1 more, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7. The only one that was there that had 7 is 70. Wonderful. Let's do it. Well, look at the scores at the end. We're going fast. Okay. If you have hundreds chart, you could use that too. If you have 5 10s and 4 1s, you add 1 more 10. Used to have 5. We have 1 more. I'm looking at the place value in the tens place. 5 plus 1 is 6 tens. That's right. And the 4, you still have 4. Very good. Now, if you wrote 504, you're thinking you got an old man 100 up there somewhere, but I don't see any hundreds places. Do you? I don't see anything in a hundreds place. So what was changing was the tens. If you had 5 10s and you add 1 more, you have 6 10s. So I agree with 64. Okay. Here comes the next one. We're so close. 3 more questions. What is 3 10s plus 4 10s? Look at the tens place. Everybody knows what 3 plus 4 is, right? 3 and 4. How many tall tens would that be? And look at the baby ones place. Nobody's crying. There are all different answers. Look at that. If you said 70, you got it right. But only one person said that. Let's look and see why the other answers wouldn't work. If you said 77, you told me there were 7 baby ones. Look at the baby ones. 0 and 0 is not 7. 0 and 0, that's no babies, not 1. So the only answer that has no babies, 0 plus 0 is 0, is this number right here, 70. Okay, very cool, guys. You can just count their place value. You can look at the place value and add their ones. Nothing and nothing is still nothing. And then they add their tens, 3 plus 4. Wonderful. Practice that at home. Last 2 questions. Look at this one. Let's look at the ones place. What's 7 and nothing? 7 plus 0 is still, okay, good. Now let's look at the tens place. What's 5 and 3? 5 tens and 3 tens. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, if you said blue, you got it right. Let's see why. If we look at the ones place, 7 and 0 is still 7. Good. That has 7. Now let's look at our tens place. What's 5 and 3 tens? Draw 5 tens, draw 3 more tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. Adding our tens place will tell us what the value is for our sum. All right. So we are on to the last question, and then we're going to log out. Okay. Would you rather hike in the woods without bug spray or swim in a pond with lots of snakes? What? Would you rather hike in the woods without bug spray or swim in a pool with lots of snakes? Who wrote this? Brooklyn, what did you pick? Ava, what did you pick? Ah! Okay. I might probably, yeah, I don't even know. I think they're both horrible, don't you? Okay, if the snakes are not venomous, then maybe it's okay, right? But if they're venomous, I won't get in that pool. No, no, no. All right, let's look at our final scoreboard and then we'll log out. Okay, we're not even going to stay to talk. I have another group to go to. So let's just look at our group and then we're going to say goodbye. Who is it? Wow, you guys are amazing. I will see you tomorrow for science. Bye, puppies. Bye.
Bye.